Yep, here we are, VL, Suzuki VL125 intruder, going to be stripped, and rebuilt, running. Oh, there we go, have a look in here, see what it looks like in here. In here. Up there too. Oh, this is coming off, all that. Carburetor, locked. No covers on the head. Got covers. A lot of rust on her. Tear apart, get powder coated. Get shocks. Do everything. If you're interested in watching the progress of this, give us a shout, let me know. Be quite happy to help you. Probably go through every single thing. And there, look at that. Rotten. People. It's a Suzuki too. Right. Nothing on the tank. Poor thing. There we go. Badge at least. There you go. And here. There we go. And if you're interested in seeing how I go with it, let us know. Help you along. Get shocks on it. There's last road tax 2015. 2 years. Has it been driving? Is it not? Now I'll get back to you all. Let us know what you think. Any ideas of what I can do with it? Except for drop on the river, which I would never do with a bike. Okay, let us know.